Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's podcast. My name is Anna, and in this episode, I'm going to share my daily routine with you. Listen carefully, practice your English, and try to repeat some of my sentences. Let's get started. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock, but sometimes I wake up earlier. The first thing I do is stretch a little. It helps me feel awake and ready for the day. After that, I go to the kitchen to have breakfast. My breakfast is usually cereal with milk and sometimes a banana. It's quick and easy. Some people love coffee in the morning, and I think I understand why. A cup of coffee can really make a difference. Personally, I like to drink tea, but sometimes I also drink coffee. After breakfast, I get dressed, check my phone quickly, and then I'm ready to leave. Every day I go to school on foot. It takes about 15 minutes, and I really enjoy the walk. Walking is good exercise and also a good moment to think about the day ahead. Sometimes I listen to music on my way, and other times I listen to a podcast. Listening to podcasts in English is one of my favorite ways to practice the language. Of course, when it rains, the walk is not so much fun, but most days it's a peaceful way to start the day. In the afternoon, after classes, I usually like to exercise. I prefer outdoor activities, so I often go jogging in the park. I try to jog 3 times a week. It helps me relax after studying, and it's good for my health too. Exercise is important not only for the body, but also for the mind. After jogging, I always feel more positive and with more energy. In the evening, after dinner, I like to relax. Sometimes I watch a series or a movie. Other times I chat with friends online. I don't usually cook complicated meals, but I really want to learn more about cooking. For now, I prepare simple things like rice, pasta, or sandwiches. After dinner, I also enjoy reading. Even if it's just for 15 minutes, reading a book helps me to calm down before going to sleep. On weekends, my routine is a little different. I usually study a bit, but I also spend more time with my family. Sometimes we go out together. Sometimes we just stay at home and watch something. Weekends are also a great time to relax, enjoy life, and prepare for the week ahead. And that's my daily routine. What about you? What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? And what do you like to do in the evening? Think about your own daily routine in English. Maybe even record yourself talking about it. It's a great way to practice. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.